We're at Angkor Wat. It's the holiest, most famous site in Cambodia. Largest, beautifulest.
So the water flows through the linga holy water. Because if Angkor Wat faces the east, close to the Siem Reap river, not enough space for any ornament.
Hello.
Hi, hello.
To fight against the demon king, his name Ravana, in order to liberate Sita. I suppose as a young man, the stonemason, because at the time no reading glasses were wearing if they were old. Not good eyesight. Yes, young, good eyesight, but very skillful. I really love this one.
Because that's why the sandstone is amazing.
Turn actually for man, Hari. So Hari means Vishnu, the god of protection. Sound pounding our chest, not the acoustic sound.
It doesn't have the ears like we have.
Yeah.
You can try it.
Yeah.
Is it going? Careful, don't fall. Oh, we have so many pictures. Whatever it will be fine.
Thanks.
By the time I finish with this.
So you see, each pool has a drainage hole for the water out when it rains at the corner over there. Yeah? But you see the steps to go down. So this probably at a time during the wet season when the rain falls and they plug their drainage hole to keep the water for any religious purpose or as a swimming pool for the higher class. Because the average rainfall here per year about 8 to 9 feet. And the purpose why they made the steps so steep. Most experts, they suppose they made the steps so steep because the temple as the residence of the god, like heaven.
Then I send to you by voice. No, my phone. Beautiful here, right? Oh.
Yeah, we have pictures of us hanging over. We're in the central tower of Angkor Wat. There's the very tippy top.
That's not an archaeological term, tippy top.
Tippy top is not.
Otherwise, yeah, we need to think about it. Mean that the origin.
Look at my shirt.
Angkor Wat shirt
At
Angkor Wat.
So before, wherever you can see the window, before it's all flat, right? And then they cut the window frame inside, and then install the window balustrade later. Yeah, later. The round one configuration.
American embassy for continue this one. So still with the money from the US or the